Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
How Dog Came to Live with People. There was a time of much rain in the middle of Africa. It rained for many days. It rained for many nights. The animals were wet and cold. They wished for a way to dry themselves. Lion called a meeting of all the animals. "I have heard of something called fire," said Lion. "Our human brothers and sisters have it." "Yes," said Dog. He had also heard about fire. He said, "It is hot like the sun. People use it to cook. They also use it to stay warm and dry." "Fire sounds useful," said Lion. "Some of you know how it looks. Let's send one of you to borrow fire. We can use it to dry off." Lion looked around at the animals. Nobody spoke up. "Gazelle is too shy to borrow fire," said Lion. "Parrot is not strong enough. It's a long trip to the village. I think we should send Dog." All the animals wanted Dog to get the fire. Dog howled with pride. He was happy. The other animals had chosen him. He was also afraid. He had never met people before. Dog set out on his journey. The nearest village was far away. Dog walked across dry plains. He walked through thick jungles. He swam across wild rivers. He passed through fields of prickly bushes. One night, Dog was resting. He heard a strange noise and went to hide behind a bush. Just then, a hunter passed by. He had a spear in his hand. "That must be a human," Dog said to himself. "I will follow him. He may lead me to fire." Dog followed the man to a village. Then Dog saw something bright at the center of the village. "Fire!" said Dog. He watched. The people started cooking on the fire. Soon the smell of food filled the air. Dog moved into the shadows close to the fire. "I wonder if the people will give me some food," Dog said. He walked toward the people. Just then Snake came by. The people didn't see him, but Dog did. He growled at Snake and barked a warning. The people heard Dog bark. They were surprised. They had never met Dog. They had not heard his bark. But they had met Snake. They knew Snake was deadly. The people watched as Dog scared Snake away. Then Dog walked over to the people. He licked the people's hands. The village chief spoke. "This friend with 4 legs was sent to keep us safe." The people of the village thought Dog was brave. They were very kind to him. They treated him like a brother. Dog did not want to leave the village, so he never took fire to the other animals. That is why, to this day, dogs live with people. That is why dogs are people's best friends.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.